This dance is called More Than You'll Ever Know. It's a 64 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, step the right to the side, hold, rock back on the left, recover. Step the left to the side, hold, rock back on the right, recover. Nice easy set of steps to start with. Do that once more, side hold, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock. Vine to the right with a quarter turn on the end. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, turn a quarter turn right, hold. Into a chase half turn, so we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold. Now set of steps once more then, vine quarter turn into that chase half turn. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section with a quarter turn at the end of the vine and then that half pivot in that chase half turn. Should you need to try and take that out, alternative steps would be continue to do your vine to the right, side, behind. But rather than turning right when you do that quarter turn, turn left and step back on that right. Then rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left. So your back rock step replaces your chase half turn, and your vine quarter, you'll just make a quarter turn left rather than right. Non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out. So let's add that to the top. Side hold, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Into some side touches, so we step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, left to the side, touch right beside the left. Half rubber box back. So we step the right to the side, left beside the right, step the right back, hold. That set of steps once more then, side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, side, close, back, hold. Let's add that to the top. Side hold, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, side, side, close, back, hold. Slow chassé to the left. So we step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left to the side, hold. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side, step left beside right. That set of steps once more then, slow chassé to the left. 7, 8, side, close, side, hold, back, rock, side, close. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Side hold, back rock, off on the right. 7, 8, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, side, side, close, back, hold, side, close, side, hold, back, rock, side, close. Second half of the dance. You're going into a coaster step, but when you do this coaster step, you're going to make a big step back on the first step. So we're starting off on the right foot, so it's a big step back on the right, close, step, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, cross the left, over the right, hold. So that set of steps once more then, coaster step with that big step to start with. 7, 8, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Vine to the right with a cross on the end. So we step right to the side, left behind right, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Mambo cross, rock to the side on the right, recover on the left, cross the right over the left, hold. That set of steps once more then. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Let's put those two sections together. Coaster step off on the right. 7, 8, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right, hook the left over the right. Go forward on a step, lock, step, left foot leading, step, lock, step, hold. So that set of steps once more then. Side touch, quarter turn, hook. Off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Coaster step with that big step off on the right. 7, 8, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, hold. Add on a chase half turn, so we step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, hold. Into a full triple turn. 3 steps travelling forwards. Now if you don't wish to do this full triple turn, because it is a full turn by virtue of its name, shuffle forward on the left. Slow shuffle step. Otherwise it's half a turn right as you step back on that left, half a turn right as you step forward on the right, step forward on the left. Hold. End of dance. Now I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough and the demo. I'll actually be doing the non-turning shuffle steps forward when the music is on, but I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So that set of steps once more then. Chase half turn off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, step, hold, full triple turn, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Coaster step off on the right. 7, 8, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, full triple turn, hold. So that is our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Side hold, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock, side, behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, side, touch, side, close, back, hold, side, close, side, hold, back rock, side, close, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, full triple turn, hold. So that is your dance. Not an and count inside, so it's all single count timing. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side hold, back rock, off on the right. 7, 8, side hold, back rock, side hold, back rock, side behind, turn, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, side touch, side close, back, hold, side close, side hold, back rock, side close, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side cross, mambo cross, hold, side touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, full, triple turn, hold, side, back rock, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, side touch, side close, back, side close, side, back rock, side close, coaster, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, side touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, pivot, step, full, triple turn, side, back rock, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, side touch, side close, back, side close, side, back rock, side close, coaster, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, side touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, pivot, step, full, triple turn. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, side touch, side close, back, side close, side, back, rock, side close, coaster, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, side touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, pivot, step, full, triple turn, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, side touch, side close, back, side close, side, back, rock, side close, coaster, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, side touch, turn, hook, step, rock, step, pivot, step, full, triple turn, side, back, rock, side behind, turn, step, pivot, step, side touch, side close, side, back, rock, side close, coaster, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, side touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, pivot, step, full, triple turn, side, back, rock, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, side touch, side close, back, side close, side, back, rock, side close, coaster, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, mambo cross, side touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, pivot, step, full, triple turn, side hold, more than I wanted before. Side touch and beyond words, I couldn't want you more. Coaster, when I try to
ever know. Even when I pour my heart out to you, I'm not sure it shows that I love you more than you ever know. Yes, I love you more than you ever know.
Hope you managed that one.